What is up? It is I. For those of you who are new to my channel, well, I am a reseller that loves all things thrifted, vintage, pre-loved, new, nearly new, you name it, estate selling. I love it. I do. For my Catwalkers who are, welcome back to a new video this week. For those of you who are newly subscribed, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of bits and bobs and thrifted stuff. To jump right into this, don't know where this video is going to go. However, there are some things that I want to show you. Now, let me say this. Some of it is thrifted and some of it is new. Thrifted things first. So here, the first item that I want to show you that I thrifted. Little bags, specifically between mini bags and Pochette style bags that you can grab and go are all the rage. And it doesn't matter what designer has made it. Little teeny bags that you can put cards in, hold your credit cards, your cash, your keys. This is a colorful Dooney Burke wristlet. It has the multicolor on the zipper, the multicolor that's on the body. You also have the wristlet strap, so you can carry this the way it is, or you can put this in your bag. You can hook it on your bag. This item will be listed for sale in my closet on Poshmark. If you are interested in it, it will be there for you to grab. The next thing I want to show you are these beauties. Tote bags, no matter if they are woven, if they are leather, if they are cotton. This upcoming summer, they are on trend. And anything from a medium tote to a super large size tote is on the radar. These two beauties, they are so cute. These are the perfect beach tote. One has a dark blue, green, and orange and white pattern. Other has a red and green and white and brown pattern. They are clean inside and out. They are the perfect size to take with you if you are going to go to the beach or if you're going to do something. They fit right here for easy carry, or you can carry it in your hand. You can throw your towels in here. You can put your beach blanket in here. You can put your suntan lotion in. You name it, you can do that with these. Next up are these slides. You know that slides, and I'm going to be specific in a minute when we start going down that road about slides. Slides are always on trend. Pool slides. These are cute as can be. Slides that were made by Kate Robin. They have like all these little things. There's a Maltese cross on here. There's a number 5 on here. It says 55 Coco. These are not Chanel. It's cute little slides that have cute embellishment on them, and they will be listed for sale if you are interested in them. Cute as can be. Staying along this realm of a slide. Now, dad sandals, or a version or a type or a style of a dad sandal, will be and are going to be huge this summer. I picked these up, Adidas dad sandals, and these I actually got out of the boys department. I ordered them online from Kohl's. They were not over $30. So if you're looking for something comparable and don't want to spend big designer prices for a designer dad sandal, then these are a very good option for you to grab. These are a boy size 6. I am a 7.5, so the comparable shoe size for me in a big boy, and we're talking big boy size, is a 6. These fit so well. They are so comfortable. I've worn them around the house, and these are going to be great for the up and coming warmer spring into summer to run around and do whatever in. These are super cute. Look at the back, and you see what the front looks like. They are just simple and easy to do. If you're out and you have a Kohl's near you, you might want to pop into Kohl's and check. I know that these are also available in women's sizes, but as a way to save some money, check out the big boys department. And if you see these and they fit you, grab them. next thing that I want to show you is a nail color. You guys know I like a mixture of high-end and low-end and everything in between. This nail color was $28. I went past Chanel makeup counter and happened to see this. I was not sure about this color, but something said you might as well get it. This is the Chanel color 634, and to be specific about it, Arianzo Vibrante. The color is a reddish orange, and it is fantastic. I cannot wait to wear this. I was debating, would this work for me? I think this will be a winner when I put it on. It is the perfect mix of a red and a burnt orange, but it's just gorgeous. Very happy that I picked this up. One of the things that I do like about buying things from the Chanel makeup counter is that they're very gracious about giving you samples. I have a couple of samples that I want to share with you. This one is the Sublimage La Creme Yeux. I'll show you the one from the box that I opened, as it comes in a little gold squeeze container. It is for anti-aging, and it is also for moisture. One of the things that I like about Chanel, and when they give out things like this is an introduction to trying to see if something will work for your skin or not. I love doing this before making a huge investment into a face cream in Chanel. A face cream can be over $100 plus in Chanel, $175 or higher sometimes. And this is a good introduction to try and figure out if there's something in the line that will work for you or not. Whenever they do give you samples, sometimes you get samples in their glass jars, which I do love. Now in here is a vanilla facial scrub mask. This, according to the person who did the sample for me, this is something that you massage into your face. You let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is more like an exfoliation mask, and once you do it, you let it sit and then you just take it off. But I am a big fan of how they give the samples. This came in a glass container, and you can see it's the CC. These are super gorgeous. Once these are empty, I'll probably end up putting some type of a thick hand cream in here so that I can use them. One thing that I do want to say, if you're out and you are looking for things that are at budget, on budget, thrift budget, when you go, and let's just say you go someplace like a Chanel counter or what have you, ask them for a sample. Ask them if there are things that you can try just to see if those things will work for you. You get those things for free. For different types of samples, I think that's a pretty good deal. That is it. That is all. That is what I wanted to pop in and share with you guys this week. Just kind of bits and bobs. This video was kind of all over the place because there really was something that I was hoping would get to me that I'd be able to share with you and do an unboxing, but that has not gotten to me as of yet. So I just wanted to bit and bob and thrift and throw in some things and share with you things that I found and some things that I purchased which were within a reasonable price frame, and share those with you. Come over to Poshmark, check out my closet. I am Concrete Catwalk on Poshmark. I have been very busy in my closet with regards to making some changes and doing a couple of updates. There have been some things that I've turned over and removed out of my closet that were up for sale, and they are no longer available because they have now sold. Going through the process of list new items, things that you haven't seen on this channel. So please bear with me as I do that. But yeah, head on over, check out my closet. If there's anything that you see in my closet that you are interested in, you can leave a message below and I will respond to you, or you can head on over to Instagram and you can follow me on IG. I am the Catwalks Concrete on IG. Things that I list in my closet on Poshmark, do share those things on Instagram. Feel free to DM me there if there's anything you see that you are interested in. DM me there and together we can talk about it and work it out so that you can get it before somebody else does. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss out on anything that I upload, and I upload videos every Sunday, please tap that bell so that you won't miss out on any notifications about a new video that I have posted. That is it. That is all that I have for you. Please be safe. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.